Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse Our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try my best to help you fix headset mic not working in Windows 11. I'm going to show you all the methods you have to try in order to fix this problem. Now, I can't guarantee you this will work, but please try all the methods and maybe some method will help you, or 3 methods will help. I don't know, but that's why please try all the methods and watch this video till the very end so you can see all the methods I have in this video. So now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you have to do, okay guys, so now let's jump right into this video. So the first method, you have to go to troubleshooting, and here write troubleshooting and click on the first match, okay, and then here select other troubleshooters. And now please here playing audio, run this troubleshooter, and you can also run the recording audio troubleshooter if this didn't work and didn't solve the problem. Now let's move to the next method, which is very important, is to go to device manager. So let's close this. It goes to device manager. Okay, and here we have a lot of important stuff. For example, we have the sound. Okay, and here we have to check, this is the sound definition audio, this is the microphone, and I'll click now on my microphone that I'm using currently and click on update driver, browse current, and let me pick for a list of available drivers. And now select the driver and click on next, and so you can install the driver that you already have on your computer but maybe is not installed properly. Okay, so make sure you installed drivers. Also, if we are in this method, that I'm referring to installing drivers and updating your driver. Another thing that you can do is to go to Windows update, and it's not what you think. It's not only, you do not only have to update Windows, which is not a bad idea, don't get me wrong, please update your Windows, but another thing that you have to do, please try this, go to advanced options. When I bought this laptop, I'm using a laptop right now, the sound didn't work properly, and because the updates, I didn't have the latest updates for audio. All right, so click here, please click here on additional updates, and then here we have expand driver updates, and here we have way more updates available that are referring to, or there are for Lenovo, as you can see here, like image, for a lot of different important, like a lot of updates that you have to install on your computer. So please select all of them and then click on download install. I mean, if there's something you don't want to install, you don't have to install, but I'm saying most of the time these updates are very important for your computer. I'm going to install these updates after I finish this tutorial, but it's something I wasn't aware that are also other updates available on Windows 11. I thought that you can the only way to update Windows is to click here, check for updates, but I didn't know there's actually optional updates, and those optional updates in fact are pretty important, right? Okay, now let's move to the next method and go to control, right here, control panel, and here let's go to sound. Make sure you have selected view by large icons, click on sound, and it's very important, all right, because if there's a setting here, and it's super important, and you go to recordings, okay, let's say this is your microphone, and maybe you see the microphone, maybe your microphone is disabled, so make sure your microphone is enabled. Right click on the microphone and you click on enable. That's probably can be the reason, and if it's disabled, that's absolutely the reason why your microphone is not working. And if it is enabled and it still doesn't work, please go to properties, and also make sure you enable show disabled devices. Okay, and now go to properties, and here where it says levels, make sure you drag the volume slider, okay, to where's the largest value. For here it's 100, so make sure you drag to 100. For me it's not necessary, but maybe for you it was set to 2 or 3 or 10. Okay, and you can also click on uncheck this, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. If it's enabled, and probably 100% is enabled, please uncheck this, and also uncheck this enable audio enhancements. Most of the time it's not useful and it can really cause problems. Okay, please do this, and it's very important. And also please go to microphone. Actually, you can even go to right click on the Windows logo, go to settings, and here if you go to privacy and security and then microphone, make sure you have enabled microphone access, and you check all the applications so they will have access to your microphone, right? Because like if I want to record something, if this is turned off, then even if I'm using the microphone when I'm recording with the camera, this won't work. Or yeah, I turned this on and the microphone didn't work. Okay, so another thing that you can do is to make sure you're using the I think it's called the Y splitter, and I think I'm gonna show you. Okay, so okay guys, now the last thing is you have to make sure you buy a Y splitter if you're using your headset for your computer, and your computer, you have to plug this. Okay, and yeah, for laptop it's not the case because this will work. Okay, but yeah, if you have a computer, make sure you buy this Y splitter. That's only if you have a computer, but that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope this video helped you, and if it didn't work, guys, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to read your feedback, and take care, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Take care.